Hey there, this is Heidi from Create with Heidi. Today I'm going to show you how to make baby milestones with heat transfer vinyl and wood tree slices. To begin this project, I am prepping my material that I need for this project. My personal preference is to have everything cut to the size that I need it to be when I begin the project so that I can have my space clear. I'm not messing with rolls or putting more material on my mat than is necessary. Okay, so I am just using this one piece of heat transfer vinyl for this project, so that was quick and easy. Now I am putting it shiny side down on my mat. I'm going to be using a brayer to make sure that it adheres really well to the mat so that there's no shifting or curling as the machine cuts it. Okay, I've got that all good to go. Now it is time to cut this vinyl. And almost like magic, it's done. I am going to close the machine and push it back, and now to weed this heat transfer vinyl. The first thing I'm going to do is use an X-Acto knife and cut each of my milestone pieces into its own piece from the rest. That will make it much easier to weed, especially because there are some small intricate parts, and not having to try and juggle a big piece of vinyl while weeding those little parts is going to make my life a lot easier. My weeding pen is basically my best friend in a lot of ways as I weed. It helps me easily pick up those pieces of vinyl that I'm weeding, but it also really helps as I'm working with these small intricate pieces as well, because it is literally a pin on the end. And so with how small it is, it makes it really easy to maneuver and work with those really small pieces of vinyl. Okay, now that everything is weeded, it is time to turn on our mini heat press. And now that it is heated up, we are ready to begin. I do a quick brush off on each of the wood slices before placing that vinyl down. I applied heat for about 30 seconds to each one of these and then let it sit while I moved on to the next one. before removing the backer sheet because it is better to wait until it has cooled before peeling off that backing. So I had a pretty good system going with having one wait while the other one was being ironed on. Okay, they are all done and I'm really happy with how they turned out. Thank you so much for being here.